because some losses, like although you take losses, they're not always gonna be like losses where you can avoid, because you can't avoid every single loss in the book, especially in trading. Hey, what's going on, guys? Make sure you guys subscribe, turn your noise on, and leave a like for future videos. Catch you guys there. Peace. Yo, chat, we are closing here. That 15 didn't close above, but the 30-minute did close above here. We have a nice bond wick here. I believe once you get, flip here, I'll be in a position. So basically right now, I'll be in a position right here for GJ, going up to fill that range. Stop loss is the previous candle low, and TP is up here at the next resistance. So this is the position. Stop loss is 30-minute candle low for 14 pips, and TP is up here for 90 pips, 20 pips. In this case here, I'm not too worried about how big or small the bond wick is. That's something that I also been working on recently as well. Working on just entering positions. Like sometimes like we might not get the perfect like 10 pip bottom wick or the nicest bottom wick. Because overall the trade makes sense here as long as you respect the lows, which is down here. So there's that. So this trade here is no different, chat, from the trades that we've been taking all week last week, of course. Just a simple closure on a 30-minute time frame above that range. With that being said as well, we broke down how the forward had a huge effect in this trade as well. We anticipate the forward candle flip here, right? Look at the forward candle. Look where it closed. It closed above this range here. The moment it closed above the range here, we would expect this next candle to continue up. This next forward candle to drive up towards the next level of resistance, which is up here. With that being said here, this candle had no top wick. It created a low, spent the first like 3 hours of this candle creating a low. Now we're starting to flip bullish here. With that being said, a 30-minute candle was closing above as well. Therefore, this entry is valid for me. So there's a lot that went on to this trade here. It's not just, a simple closure above. There's a forward that played a huge effect to it. But yeah, this is a trade that I'm willing to take again and again and again. So we had a plan on morning. I said it earlier, buys above here closure, and that's what we got. And we're just following our plan here. So that is, I think maybe if we break the 15-minute lows here, I'll look to close half my positions. It's either we close bearish back in the range here in 5 minutes here and I close half, or 2, I just close half as you break the 15-minute lows in advance. But other than that, I think that's the only way I can manage positions right now. Don't stare at your charts. The market makers know how to message your emotions. Let the market play out. I mean, I've been staring at my trades for the past 1.5 years on streams every day. The market makers have definitely not affected me yet. It's only when you have emotions though, right? Like, again,
stupid. Yo, Don, you don't have eyes.
I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you.
I don't have eyes.
God.
Again, it goes back to just the ego style of trading, right? A lot of ego, a lot of emotions in the trading, right? This trade here, if it were to hit my stop loss, I'll be completely fine with it. It's a trade, I'll take the same trade again. This loss here is no different, if I were to lose, is no different from a win I would take last week. It's the exact same trades, closure above the ranges. Nothing's different, right?
Don't listen to me, DJ.
Nice, gonna close half.
My friends.
Gonna close half of my positions here at around 11 pips, 12 pips here. And then gonna let the rest run risk free. She's a runner. She's a runner. She's a track star. But if we come down and break the 15-minute lows here, I'm gonna look to close half my positions. With like how big is that stop though? It's gonna be around an 8 pip stop if we were to break the low. So I mean, I've been taking the same trades the past 1.5 years. Hey chat, I'm gonna close my positions here, actually the full position here at 8 pips here. As price is breaking the 15-minute lows in this case. So and anyways, you can close half if you want. You can close full, whatever it is that you want to do to manage positions. Me in this case, I close full because I might look to anticipate another entry with the 15-minute breaking the highs here. Some of you guys come to the streams just to take positions with us, which is fine, which is fine. You can do whatever you want to do, but at the end of the day, man, I hope like you guys understand the reason why we're taking a position in the first place, right? And the reason why we do what we do, the reason why we manage it, the reason why our stop loss is here, our TP is here, what we're waiting for, right? This is very important to understand that. And I say that like on win days, losing days as well. Like, it's very important to understand the trade that you're taking. You're not gonna learn or you're not gonna do anything. Like if anything, like it's bad profits if you just take a trade and you don't understand why you got it or how you got it. Too early to get an entry. I mean, if you think it was too early to get an entry, then I mean you didn't take an entry, right? That if you didn't, but again, the trade that I took there was like a trade that I would take on a day. It go on the last 6 streams, like nothing was different, and that's what you understand. That's how you get rid of emotions, is being able to understand the trades that you take and being able to understand that, you know, you're taking the same trades over and over again, basically. Because some losses, like although you take losses, they're not always gonna be like losses where you can avoid, because you can't avoid every single loss in the book, especially in trading. Some losses are like good losses. Again, some losses are bad losses, right? But bad losses are losses, I'll say, if I wasn't to follow my plan today. This was a good loss.